What's going on YouTube? Back with J Builds WA. Just going to start a new series basically where I review some tools. I'm going to talk about one of my favourite tools today, which is the cordless bandsaw. I've currently got 3 of them, so I'll give you a quick look now. Alright, so currently I have 3 bandsaws. So this is my first initial baby, the Makita BPD 180, which is a good girl, but this was my first initial bandsaw. Then we moved to the Milwaukee. This is the older Milwaukee, the M18 CBS 125. As you can see, she's done a lot of work, this girl. She's still going at the moment, but ergonomics and stuff and the weight of it is a lot more than the newer version. This is my newest bandsaw I've purchased. So this is the M18 FBS1 125DO. Just the ergonomics and the lightness is a whole lot different to the old school Milwaukee. I do prefer it. It's just a lot more refined, one would say. So as you can see guys, I'm not really biased on Milwaukee. I'm a Makita man. So I'm just going to show you a comparison here. This is what I use to cut all my steel down, as long as the guard doesn't interfere here. This is a great tool to have. Righto, back here with J Builds WA. What I've got my hand on right now is a bit of 90 by 90 by 4mm. It's not the thickest steel in the world, but it puts a run for the money on the grinder. So I'll show you a comparison on using a grinder on something this thick and using a bandsaw. Right, let's go. Right, so it's 28 seconds, so now I'll show you the difference between the grinder. Makita 5-inch grinder, new blade, fresh battery. I'll show you the difference. minute 16, so 29 seconds, 28 seconds to a minute 16 is a big difference, and that was without squaring the line. I did that prior to the video, so you can see the big difference here. A bandsaw saves so much time, money. It's a lot safer to use, it's a lot quieter. I think it's a better tool. It's a tool you might not use all the time, but if you do a lot of steel work, a lot of fencing and stuff like that, fabrication work, it's something you definitely need. So thanks for watching guys. I'm going to start doing a few tool reviews here and there, so if you like to see this kind of footage and kind of content, please like and subscribe. Cheers guys.